Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-minute trades and our members trade of the week. Well, you gotta see this. So look, usually when we trade the members trade of the week and we award that prize, it's a trade that went perfectly well. Well, this week, Larry from Canada was trading AMD's earnings. He put the orders on the chart and he realized that something happened on his computer. Everything froze. He couldn't trade. He couldn't move his orders. Watch, everything's going to freeze right now. The charts were frozen. He couldn't manipulate his orders. Right there, the orders were placed and everything froze. Larry couldn't do anything. In a panic, he started looking around his computer. What am I going to do? The earnings are taking place. The orders probably got sent to the broker. He's trying to figure out what to do. He winds up looking through his task manager to see if he could figure out what's going on. He goes to his desktop. He can't figure out what's going on. He reboots his computer. And when his computer comes back up, it's amazing. Larry's going to be in the trade. He's up over $2,000 in profit because ultimately the orders were sent properly to the broker. The software worked. Just because his computer was turned off doesn't mean that the software didn't work. And when everything came back up, there he is in a trade up over $2,000. When he started this trade, he had $1,460 in profit. When the trade was over, and you can see he's now trailing, making more money as the trade goes on. And finally, when the trade ends, Larry has a grand total in his account of $4,785. As I said, he started with $1,460 before the trade, so he had a net profit of $3,325. Just because your computer freezes doesn't mean the software won't work properly. Everything had been sent to the broker. The trade took place. When he got himself rebooted, the trade was working. Everything was actually the way it should have been. AMD earnings, they burst down. He went short. He had time to even manage the trade when he finally figured out what happened and everything came back. Absolutely, the trade of the week, the members trade of the week, I should say, is AMD's earnings. Larry made over $3,000. Just because things go wrong, the key is don't panic. Figure out what's happening if you can. In a worst case scenario, call the broker. There's a phone number for their trade desk and they'll help you. But in this case, Larry, it figured it out and he wound up making over $3,000 on the craziest members trade of the week I've ever seen, AMD's earnings. This is Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. I'll see you all the next time.